Hello YouTube. Hi. This is an update video of my MMO. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it, but I've made some improvements, so uh, I'll show you right away. So first of all, the MMO needs a Darkrift server. It's Darkrift 2. I still only have 3 plugins, but I did a lot of update on the server side. I need to figure out how to speed up debugging the server because it's taking me a bit of time. And so the difference for this new build is that well, you got the original stuff here, right? Yeah, I showed you this in my last video back. I'll create a new user. See, create new user. Okay. So I can log in CC, log in. Let's create a new character. Test 3. I think we came across the same problem where the blocks aren't spawning, but you can see the character looks exactly like you created it. Pretty cool. I would need to kill the server and respawn the blocks. So whenever I reboot the server, then the randomized blocks. Oh, see, now that I have randomized blocks appeared. So, all right. So the new thing is the chat. I got global, local, whisper, and even have a block player list. So I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm going to let's see. I'm going to boot my game on another device. So I'm logging in as a player number 2. So, alright, so this is my second character. See, he's running around. I can click on him. I can click on myself. I can click on the objects. So I can do global chat. So, and I will go my other computer. I'm gonna do global chat on the other computer. I'll say hello to. Let's just say hello to. I'm gonna do local chat because it's like blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and I'm gonna whisper myself. So test. Is it test 3? It's ASD, right? So okay, let's see. So blah blah blah, SD. So I can chat on local too. Local is if you're in the same map. Yep. So yeah, the chat grows as I continue chatting. I can store up to a maximum of 20 and then start deleting. So yeah, whisper, you can actually whisper yourself. So I'm gonna whisper someone who doesn't exist. Let's just say I don't exist. Okay, so let's just say talk to this person. So the avatar I don't exist is offline or non-existent. So the system also has a purple tint. Yep, the purple tint is for when the server messages you. So I can do that. Let's just say I can talk to myself. Let's say I talk to myself. Yeah, so I just whispered myself. If I whisper someone, I actually do not see this on the chat. That's intended. So let's just say I whisper hello. So I just sent a message to the other player and I saw it in the other screen. So I'm going to reply. Say stop messaging me. Alright. So I'm going to show you the block feature. So you can block someone. So yeah. This is a different type of menu. It's different than this. This is a expandable menu. I've created it, programmed it myself. It it expands as needed, but this one is let me show you. Let's just say I want to block test 2, so block player. So now he can't hear me. So I'm gonna whisper I'm gonna talk on global 1 2 3, local 1 2 3, and whisper 1 2 3. So I don't see him because I just blocked him. You can also block yourself. This is really weird, but I'm gonna block myself. So block player. So now if I whisper myself, I don't see anything. But if I unblock myself, unblock player, now I can see myself. So I unblock myself. You can also block the system. So let's just say you you don't want any messages from the server. So now that if I do something like crazy like this, I don't get a message. If I unblock the system, oops, unblock system, now I'll be able to get messages again. So yeah, that's it. Just this. I'm gonna show you what happens. You can type non-existent player names like that, and you can add it to your block list, even though the player does not exist. This is intentional because I don't want players to know who exists and who doesn't exist for now. Because this game is going to be pretty PvP and account based, so to show you, I can move up and down, and this block list is saved. So if I close this and reboot the game, the block list should be persistent. So see, login, dismiss. See, my block list is saved. If you took a screenshot of my state, and then you'll be able to see that these are exactly the same. So to unblock, you just select any of these, and to unblock, see, it goes away. Unblock. Yep. Another thing to show you. All right, so one thing I fixed is check this out. I'm gonna log off the other player. I just logged off. So let's wait. In 10 seconds, he'll disappear. Give it a second. Oh, there he's gone. He's gone. He's logged off. So I'm gonna log on again using the same character. Let's say B login. Ta-da! I'm back. See, he's back. He just logged back in. I know that he didn't log in the exact same place that he logged off, but this is intentional for now. For now, if I log into a map, I will start in the same place. This can be good or bad. Maybe that a player will camp the spawn point and grief. Yes, it's a PvP game. But once things are looking up, maybe the player can relog in back where he relogged off. I mean, it shouldn't take too long. Maybe like a few hours of programming. Well, maybe even less. But anyways, okay. So I'm going to log off again on my second character. He's gone, and I'm going to log on a different character. So this character should look a lot like the one I have. There we go. I logged in a different character. See? Ta-da! Alright. So that's pretty much it. The global, local, whisper, and the block list. Thank you very much. See you next time.